What's happening, Expeditioners? It's Peter here. Want to give you a little tip that I picked up while doing a road trip across country. So I actually drove from Chicago to Seattle and back and kind of did a little bit of a loop. Tried not to take the exact same route both ways because otherwise I was going to see the same sights but from different sides. So wanted to mix it up and see a little bit of the country. But one of the things that I realized on this trip was that changing clothes is kind of hard on a road trip. Now, depending on the type of car you have, if you have a Sprinter van or one of those camper vans, then great, you can stand up, change your clothes. But if you are driving any normal car, and in this case, I was driving an SUV, when you want to change clothes, get out of pants into shorts, or maybe you're going to sleep in your car and you want to get into something a little silky and comfortable and baggy, right? It's not that easy to climb into the backseat and try to change clothes. Honestly, changing your shirt and certainly changing pants or shoes or socks is very difficult. It's not that private either. But one of the things that I found here is something called a towel poncho. Now, you could probably find similar things that you would be able to use, but a towel poncho is basically like a terry cloth towel that is giant. It's almost like a beach towel with a head hole cut out of it. So basically, you would just kind of put it over yourself. In some cases, they have some clips or some Velcro on the side so that you can actually wear it like a poncho. But what I really love about this is not so much wearing it like a Snuggie with your hands out, which could actually be really comfortable. I never actually tried that. But one of the things that I loved is being able to put it over myself, having my arms inside, and then undressing next to my car without mooning everyone and without giving everyone a little peek at all this goodness up in here, right? So you get a little bit of that privacy. It's a lot easier to change your shirt, change your pants, go all the way down to the skivvies or more and actually get a full change without trying to turn yourself into a pretzel in the backseat of your car. So this can be really helpful for just dressing and undressing and changing clothes in a way that is more normal without having to worry about everyone getting a free peep show. And then you just take the thing off. It's easy to pack and it gives you a little privacy. So it's just super helpful on road trips. That's what I found. Now, the other thing that you might want this for is when you go to the beach. Sometimes people want to take off that wet swimsuit or the clothes that are covered with sand, and sometimes they will even have a place to rinse off and you want to change there. And obviously maybe not a lot of privacy there. But instead of getting one of those stand-up pop-up tents that's big and then you got to fold it up, a little towel poncho like this can just cover you up, allow you to change in a subtle way, and keep your virtue. So if you want to pick up a towel poncho, I will link to them in the description below, but hopefully that helps on your next road trip. I'll see you later.